Yung mga negosyante na laging may problema sa pera ay posibleng mas mamatay kaagad. Hear me out. Yung constant financial constraint could certainly give business people a lower quality of life. Affected yan ang overall well-being mo, and at the same time, yung mga relationships that you have with people around you will certainly be impacted. In fact, based sa isang survey result, 58% ng mga negosyante na mga yan ay talagang may problema sa kanilang pamilya at unhappier life. Obviously, posibleng ang mas shorter yung lifespan nila. I am recommending na kung ikaw ay negosyante, sana meron kang personal relationship kay Lord. Dahil siya, hindi niya i-judge yung mga pinagdadaanan natin. And I could only hope na every time nagsusumbong ka at nag-open up ka sa Kanya, ay you also promise Him and yourself na you will certainly make things better at you will make sure na hindi ka na mapupunta sa sitwasyon na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. That way, yung kalidad ng buhay mo ay gumanda at ang pinaka-importante, hindi ka aabot sa puntong mawawala even your family. So, are you joyful?